Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix the msvcr110.dll missing errors in Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to check for Windows updates. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards on the left pane scroll down until you find and select the Windows Update section, and then on the right side just click on the blue Check for Updates button. Now Windows will try to find the best possible updates for your PC. After you install them, just restart your PC and then you can check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to check your recycle bin. To do this, double-click the recycle bin icon and then try to find the msvcr110.dll file. So if it is located in the recycle bin, just right-click it and then click on the restore option. Now you can just check if the problem still persists. You can also run a system file checker scan. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. In here, type the following commands and press enter after each command. You just have to wait a bit because the scans can take some time, and then you can restart your PC and then check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to install the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 Redistributable update. For this you need a browser, so just access your browser and then just follow the link that I posted in the description below. In here, just select the language that you want and then click on the orange download button. Now check the box for the corresponding architecture and then simply press on the blue next button. Now just select a location that suits best your download and then click on the save button, and afterwards minimize the browser and then double click the installer file. Agree with the license terms and conditions and then simply press on the install button. After the installation process is finished, you can restart your PC and then check if the problem still persists. You can also install the DirectX runtime libraries. For this, again, you need a browser and then just access the link that I posted in the description below. You can select the language first by pressing on the drop-down menu and then you can click on the orange download button. Now select a location for the download file and click on the save button. Minimize the browser and then double-click the installer file. Continue by accepting the agreement and then pressing on the next button, and afterwards make sure to choose if you want to install this bar or not. Then press on next and then wait until the installation finishes. Afterwards just restart your PC and then you can check if the problem still persists. Another great solution is to reinstall the software the msvcr110.dll error arises for. To do this, just press the Windows button, then simply type appwiz.cpl and select it from the search results. Now in here, select the software that you think is problematic with this DLL file and then click on the uninstall button. Afterwards, just reinstall the software and then check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another great solution is to roll back Windows 11. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type rstrui and then select it as a run command from the search results. In here, just press on the next button and afterwards try to choose the earliest point in time before the problem occurred and then click again on next and then finish by pressing on the finish button. Now the restoration process will start and afterwards you can restart your PC and check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.